Good morning, students. Today we will discuss flower description from the family Cruciferae or Brassicaceae. This is also known as mustard family. Some important features, or we can call salient features of this family are plants herbaceous with watery sap, inflorescence typically raceme or corymbose raceme, flowers bisexual, sepals 4 in 2+2 arrangement in two whorls 2 plus 2, corolla cruciform comprising 4 diagonally disposed petals which are clawed. Claw is present, that is uh, a specific feature of the petal of these flowers of this family. Stamens tetradenymous, gynoecium bicarpellary, carpels transversely placed, syncarpous, bilocular due to the development of rhapulum. Fruit is siliqua or silicula with valves opening from base upwards and seeds with large embryo. So these are some important features of this family Cruciferae or Brassicaceae or mustard family. Now we come to the flower, that is Iberis amara or candy tuft, commonly known as, which is a ornamental plant. Common name is candy tuft. It is a common ornamental herb with tap and branched root system. Stem is herbaceous, erect, branched, rough, green. Leaf, ramel and colline. Simple, alternate to opposite. Ex-stipulate, shortly petiolated. It is shortly petiolated or sessile, variously incised at the upper position, glabrous, unicostate reticular venation. So this is all about the stem and leaf and root. Now inflorescence is corymb. You can see here inflorescence is corymb. Flower, this is Alice flower. Flower is ebracteolate, pedicellate, complete, irregular, zygomorphic, hermaphrodite, tetramerous, hypogynous, cyclic and white in color. Calyx, sepals 4, polysepalous, they are free in 2 whorls of 2 each. As I said earlier, calyx in 2 whorls of 2 each, and the estivation is imbricate. Corolla, petals 4, polypetalous, petals unequal. 2 anterior petals are larger. Cruciform, volvate and white. This is cruciform corolla is the characteristic feature of this family. That's why the name is Cruciferae. And tetradenymous condition of the stamens. Now we come to the androecium. Stamens 6. They are polyandrous. They are free, arranged in 2 whorls. The outer whorl of 2 stamens and the inner whorl of 4 stamens. Condition is tetradenymous, dithecous, basifixed or dorsifixed, and introdes. They are men towards the gynoecium. Bicarpellary, syncarpous. This is bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior. Here we can see the position of the ovary, which is superior to other floral parts. So ovary is superior. Bilocular due to the formation of a false septum. Each locule contains 1 or more ovules. Parietal placentation. Parietal placentation. style long, and stigma capitate, laterally compressed ovary. So this is gynoecium, description of gynoecium. Fruit is silicula and seed is small and non-endospermic seed. Now we come to the floral formula. Floral formula is ebracteate, zygomorphic, hermaphrodite, calyx 2 plus 2, corolla 4, androecium 2 plus 4, and gynoecium bicarpellary and ovary superior and syncarpus. So this is the floral formula. Identification and systematic position. Presence of enclosed seeds within ovary wall is angiosperms. Then two cotyledons, tetramerous flowers, reticulate venation, dicotyledon as we studied earlier. Free petals, that is polypetally. Dome-shaped thalamus, superior ovary, that is thalamiflory. Parietal placentation, cruciform corolla is the order of is the characters of order Parietales. So parietal placentation and cruciform corolla are the specific characters of the order Parietales. Now cruciform corolla and false septum. Cruciform corolla and false septum for brassicaceae and tetradermis condition also for brassicaceae, and then corymb inflorescence in white colored flower is for iberis. So this is the basis on which we classify the plant given to us for the description. Now this is floral diagram. Here it indicates the zygomorphic condition of the flower. Then sepals in two whorls, 2 plus 2, 2 outer, 2 inner. Then petals, cruciform position, and because of the position of petals, this makes the flower zygomorphic. Inner whorl contains 4 stamens and outer whorl contains 2 stamens, and this is the ovary with parietal placentation. No bract, no bracteole, flower is ebracteate. So this is the description of Iberis amara or candy tuft. Iberis amara is a beautiful garden ornamental plant. Its seeds are used for asthma and bronchitis. This is the economic importance of this plant. So this is a representative plant of family Cruciferae or Brassicaceae according to the ICBN nomenclature. It is Brassicaceae. I think it is all about the description of the flower. Thank you.